Hey, I'm Dr. Manu Gujrati, and I'm the Medical Director of the San Francisco office of Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration. And today we're going to talk about the importance of medications before and after an FUE procedure.
Hi, I'm Dr. Parsa Mohebi, Medical Director and founder of Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration.
All right, well, we discuss with almost all our patients the use of medications before surgery. When it comes to hair loss, most people know about Propecia, which is also known as finasteride, or Rogaine, which is also known as minoxidil. Now, they're two very different medications, and this is what I want everybody to understand, is that they do different things, okay? So, Propecia, that is a tablet that is taken once a day, and in male hair loss, that helps to block the testosterone pathway from attacking the hairs. So, question number one, you're still gonna make testosterone, but this medication blocks it from attaching to your hairs on your scalp and then activating hair loss, okay? So the point of that before any procedure is that it helps save whatever strong hairs you might still have, okay? Which is really important because it decreases how much surgery you need. Rogaine, or minoxidil, works differently. That is a topical agent. So it's basically either a solution or a foam that you actually apply to your scalp with your hands. Now, that basically, I like to tell patients, think about this like as fertilizer for hair. Whatever hair you have, it's not going to give you more of it, but it's going to help thicken what you have. Now, the fact is that probably only about 50% of men get some real noticeable difference using Rogaine. The other 50 are just what we call not responders. In females, that's a little different. Female hair tends to respond pretty well to minoxidil, so unless there's anything else going on, we're probably going to recommend at least females should try that. Thanks for watching. Hopefully that really addressed your questions about the use of medications pre and post FUE procedures. But if there's more you want to learn, visit us at 𝘠𝘀𝑚𝑜HEBI.com or follow us on social.